All right, this is going to be about an 8 or 10 minute lesson on the E minor pentatonic flat fifth, the blues scale. We're going to move that scale around into different keys. We're going to play it in different areas of the neck. We're going to do different exercises and riffs with that. So our first thing, we're going to go just the scale up and down. Okay, so we know it's open 3, open 1, 2, open 2, open 2, 3, open 3, open 3. And I'm trying to use strictly down, up, alternate picking on that. So 3 and 4 and. And then going back, I'll start with the down strum again. Down, up, keeping that same thing going. So 3 and 4 and. So let's try it going up. 3 and 4 and. And back. 3 and 4 and. Okay, so that's an E. Now if we wanted to be in G, we just find this G note on the big E string. Play the same pattern. It's just different because we don't have open strings now, so you gotta fret everything, of course. So let's try it. 3 and 4 and. 3 and 4 and. Okay, what if we wanted B flat? Well, here's your A, here's your B, there's your B flat. 3 and 4 and. 3 and 4 and. Okay, so just finding the notes on the big string, the big E string, you could play that scale in any key. All right, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go. So we're just making a little riff out of the scale. So open 3, open 1, 2, and then you're coming back. 1, open, 3, open. 3 and 4 and. One more time. 3 and 4 and. Okay, now we're going to come up here to this other E. We're going to start that riff on this new E. So it's the same exact phrase, but it's just an octave higher. 2, 0, 2, 3, open on the second, and then back. 3 and 4 and. One more time. 3 and 4 and. Okay, now we could have also played that over here. So 2, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 5, 2. 3 and 4 and. 3 and 4 and. Okay, now if we were up on this E, we would have to finger it differently, and it's kind of a weird one. But it's really good to see this area if you haven't worked this out too much. Okay, exact same phrase, just a different fingering and a new place on the neck. 9, 8, 10, 11, 7, and then back 11, 10, 8, 9, 3 and 4 and. 3 and 4 and. Okay, now you can do that up here in this E, 14th fret of the D string. And then it's just the same as up an octave. Then we're going to come down here in this E and do a descending riff. Okay, 2, 0, 2, 1, 0, 3, 0, 3 and 4 and. Now that same thing could start down here in this E. So open, 3 open, 3, 2 open, to 2, 3 and 4 and. Okay, now you could also do that here. 5, 3, 4, 3, 2, 5, 2. You could also do it up here. Here's the E, 9th fret of the G string. So 9, 7, 9, 8, 7, 10, 7. And any one of those could be in a different key just by starting in a different area. So this is where I started. Well, if I wanted G, I would go here to this G. And if I wanted this one in G, I'd find this G. Right, so you just find the same types of riffs in whatever key you want. It's good to try to practice. Get that little kind of hammer-on pull-off going in there. All right, then moving on, we could also do one where we go. So we're going to use one of those hammer-on pull-offs. 2-0-2-1, 0-1-0, 3-0. 3 and 4 and. Come down here, we got 0-3-0-3, 2-3-2, open 2, 3 and 4 and. Here we go. Let's try that. 3 and 4 and. Okay, then up here we could go. Okay, so experiment, come up with your own little ways of using that kind of hammer-on pull-off with that flat fifth note that makes it extra bluesy. Now we got a new one here. We're going to come back to the first position. Sounds kind of wild, right? So usually you'd be doing like just the regular pentatonic fours, but we're adding in the flat fifth. So we have, take a look at the tab on this one. Okay, so let's try that. 3 and 4 and. Go back, 3 and 4 and. Okay, and you can do that in different keys. Etc. What if your E note started on the A string? That would give you a different kind of pattern. So it's good to see that. You got 7, 10, 7, 8, 9, 7, 9. And then I move this one over. 8, 10, 11, 7, 10. So if you wanted that in G. Okay, I got one more thing for you. What if we were in E? We wanted to go straight down our blues scale with that flat fifth. We go 19, 18, 17 to 15. And then we're in that second position basically. 19, 18, 17, 15, 17, 15, 16, 15, 14 down to 12, 14, 12, 14, 13, 12, 10, down to your E, your root there. So. Let's try that. 3 and 4 and. Okay, and if you wanted to play that in a different key, so I'm 7 frets above the root note up here, so we could find a different root note like A, and we could be 7 frets above that. Okay, so you could try that in different keys as well. All right, so this has been a little 10-minute blues warm-up for you. Have a great day. Thanks a lot.